In this quick video, I'll show you how to change the font size in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you want bigger, bolder headlines or smaller, neater paragraphs. Start by opening your document in LibreOffice Writer. You can use any existing file or create a new one. Next, select the text you want to resize. You can do this by clicking and dragging your mouse over the words. Now, look up at the toolbar near the top of your screen. You'll see a box with a number. That's your current font size. Click the drop-down arrow to pick a new size, or type in a custom one. And just like that, you're all set. If this helped, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe. I've got more simple LibreOffice tips coming your way.